Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can convert any document, any language to English or from any language to another, any language through Google Lens. For this, guys, you can see the Google icon there. I'm doing this in my mobile. So you can see the Google icon there. Click on that. Try to hover to any document so that, let's say, if a document is in Telugu language, okay, I wanted to translate to in English language, right? I might not understand Telugu or I might not understand Kannada. If it is the case, you can actually translate it to English. Okay, let us see that. Now I'm clicking on the Google Lens. Now, see this one, it's a Telugu language document. Now I wanted to translate it. So let me click on translate. You can see detected language to English. So detected language to English, it automatically picks up each and everything. It translates it to English. Now, okay, just it will take a few seconds to translate it. Now, you can see it detected Telugu language, then it translated to English language. You can see the entire document here. Now, you can either listen to it, you can either share it, you can do everything. I thought this is a powerful thing from Google Lens where Google Translator is already inbuilt one. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.